Here's how to create a simple job tracker on Notion. So anytime you get one of those random calls telling you applied to so and so company, you're not cracking your head thinking, when did I apply to this company? You can just come to your application tracker and see the name of the company, the position, date you applied, and all the details that you need. So first of all, I already have my tracker here on Notion. You go to Notion, you can easily create one from a template or from scratch or using AI. There are so many options, but make sure your application tracker includes the company name, the position you applied for, because you want to know, obviously, the status of application. Is this just an application that you saved? Have you gone ahead with the application? If you have, the date you made the application or the date you're going to make the application, if it's something that is pending, then your salary range, of course. If the application and the job description doesn't have the salary and all those details, you can go on Glassdoor and check for the amount they pay for that position in that country. Sometimes you see positions that they're hiring worldwide. I saw a recent job ad like that where they show you the salary band for each country that they have staff working with. So in Kenya, it was like 50 something K USD in a year. And in Nigeria, it was like 30 something K USD in a year. So I was thinking, what have we done? Anyways, back to it. So you have the salary range. You can check Glassdoor, or if you don't see it on Glassdoor, which I doubt, you always see it on Glassdoor, you can put the amount you are willing to take for that role. You can put a range that you're willing to take for the role. Then your next action. Are you waiting for an interview? Have you had your first interview and they're getting back to you? Are you just waiting? What's the next thing you're going to do? Are you going to send a mail? Are you going to follow up? That all can be your next action. Of course, you need the company details, their website, to be able to go around. If you're preparing for an interview, you need to see their website. You need to know what they're about. Also, the contact person. If you apply to like their generic career email, it's different. But when you apply and it's someone's name before the company domain name, you can get that as your contact person, or the person that reached out to you specifically. You can get that as your contact person. Also your reference link. Reference link, where did you get the job? Is it on Indeed? Is it LinkedIn? Where did you see the job? Is it Instagram? Is it TikTok? You can use the same thing for your LinkedIn outreach. So I have mine here, just a couple of people, but you could use it for your LinkedIn outreach. If you want to create one from scratch, again, it's not, Notion is very easy to use. So you go to slash your database inline. You can see the options. You can even check for templates, but we're going to build with AI. We'll just say for all the jobs I'm applying. If you want it to have the salary range, if you don't want it to have, you can include that. That's one thing I love about using Notion AI to create templates and pages for my work. So let's see. So you can see it has the company name, the job, the location, salary range, contact person, email. I think that was how I created my earlier job application. So there you have it. See, everything so simple. Application status board. So you can have the status board where it shows the ones you've started, the ones you've not started, the ones you've interviewed for, interview complete, offer, rejected, accepted, declined, all that good stuff. So you can have something like that and you're able to keep track of your application. If you don't use Notion and you would like me to show you how to create one on Excel, Google Sheets, let me know.